Okay, next question. Question number 9. An ox apply a maximum force. Directly force is given 1000 Newton. It is taking part in a cart race and is able to pull the cart at a constant speed. That is velocity of that particular ox is given 30 meter per second. While making its best effort, calculate the power developed by the ox. So we are asked to find the power of the ox. So power, we have the formula, power is work by time. And we know that work done is force into displacement or force into distance by time. And in lower classes we studied velocity. Definition of velocity is distance by time. Formula for velocity. Velocity is equal to distance by time. So instead of this distance by time, we can write velocity. So power is equal to force into velocity. So power of the ox is force into velocity at which the ox is running. So 1000 into 30, you will get 30,000 watt. Or you may write. See, if you write up to 30,000 watt, your answer is correct, because for the board exam you are asked to find the answer or do all the problems in SI unit. So once you reach here 30,000 watt, okay, it's okay. But I just wrote it like this because the answer given in the textbook is 30 kilowatt. Okay. And question number 10. The power of the motor is 40 kilowatt. Power is given 40 kilowatt. So here whenever we are doing the problem, we should convert all other units to SI unit. So I just converted kilowatt to watt, that is 40,000 watt. The power of the motor is 40 kilowatt. At what speed can the motor rises a load? Load means its force, how much water it can rise. That means force is given 20,000 Newton. At what speed? So you are asked to find the velocity in which every day we used to pump water to our tanks. So the power of that particular water is this much, and that pump is taking 2000 Newton of water, that much water from the well. We are asked to find the speed at which it is taking. So here we have the same formula. I am not again and again doing the derivation. Here we already studied power is force into velocity. So here power is equal to force into velocity. So velocity will be power divided by force, that is 40,000 watt by 20,000 Newton. So you will get, cancel it, you will get the answer 2, velocity, meter per second. So the velocity of the pump is 2 meter per second.